Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you this mother's recipe mango pickle mild. So the net weight is written over here 300 grams and all the nutritional information, facts, everything is written over here. Product of India, and this company is since 1901, so it's very long duration we could say. And all the ingredients, everything is mentioned, what batch number, production, expiry date, the beautiful mangoes big is there. I'm gonna tell you the price of this product, which is $1, so it's not much, so you can go and purchase it and taste it also. So let's open it. It's nicely sealed, packed. Now as you can see, the sign of open is there, that this side you have to open. Yeah, it got open easily. You can see over here the beautiful mango is there. I hope little good. Yeah, this is a piece of mango. As you can see, I'm gonna taste it. Wow, the tanginess of raw mango is there, and it tastes really good. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for more my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.